Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today I'm going to pick a Squire. Now this Squire isn't just any Squire. This is the Squire Leopard. Whoa. There we go. Beautiful brass number. It says it's a SL LP10. There's our keyway, and as you can see, I'm not in the lock pond today. I'm not even at home, so I don't actually have the key to this. It's at home, so I can't show you, and I can't remember what it looked like. I'd like to do a little history for you. Squire, old lock company, makes the old English stuff. Beautiful. Got this little number, this 220, from Andy Mack when I first started. Still trying to pick the little sucker. And this one I got from Murloc 68. Thanks very much, mates. Really appreciate your generosity. So I'm going to try and pick this little baby today. Let's see how we go. Grab a tension wrench. I'm going to go sideways on this. Try and stay in frame. Okay, going to be using my Daz Evers Sneakwear. There we go, in frame. That's always good. Bottom of the keyway. I like to start at the back. Oh, should just do this first so you know no pins are set. Frame, which way are we going? There we go. Okay, here we go. A little click. Another little one. Ah, big one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll try again a little bit stronger tension now. See if we can get it. It might even in frame. I can't even see the screen. I just got shadow looking at me everywhere. Am I in the screen? Oh, I've got no idea. Where are we in space? There we go. Okay, if I try and stay there, I'll be good. Slight turn on the core. Might change picks. I'm so scared of breaking another pick now. The reason why I broke that Jason Carlton pick was, as you saw in the video, I over bent it like that. I went too far down. I didn't use my finger to support the pick to take a bit of the pressure off the base, and snap, Goes an 18,000, so that's how easy they are to snap. No reason to panic when you snap a pick, just continue doing your picking.
Sorry.
Because it doesn't
Okay, bye.
matter if you change anything. One moment, please. Thanks very much for coming. Great to meet you, and we'll see you again.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you. Bye.
cheers, bye. Okay, as you can tell, I'm pet sitting again. Oh, I hope I'm in frame. Where are we? Oh, I can't see a thing. Oh, probably not even in frame. Let's try and change my angle so I can try and stay in frame. Oh, I just dropped all the pins. I just heard all the click go back. No. Trying to stay out of shadow. The joys of filming outside. Shadow everywhere. I tried to set up so the shadow wouldn't affect the shot, but by the time I'd set it up and stuffing around, yeah, the shadows had moved. So I did a reset, and of course the shadows have moved. Oh, yes. I think I got it. Where's the snap? We like to hear the snap. Okay. Alright, there's our snap. Very, very nice. Okay. Excellent. That's the Squire LP10 for you today. Well, basically, I did this pick for Murloc 68. Thanks, matey. Thanks for your inspiration. Thanks for all your support. Everyone, take care. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.